Shin-Kicking actually didn't start that way. It started out as Cotswold wrestling, very similar to Cornish wrestling, Cumberland wrestling, where you, almost like judo, where you hold your opponent by the shoulders and you attempt to trip or kick. The underplay, as it's called. Unfortunately, over the years, the Cotswold boys thought that it needed to be a little bit more vigorous, and it gradually developed into something incredibly brutal. I mean, they used steel toe caps, they'd harden their shins with hammers, coal hammers, and broken bones were quite common. It was very brutal.
Shin-kicking is a variation of wrestling. The complication being that the only way you can get someone to the ground is actually to kick them first, and then when they're off balance by your kick, you can throw them over your leg. A good shin kicker is not the sort of person you think. It's not the really big guy. It's the little guy who's got lots of stamina and is very quick on their feet, and it's kind of like someone who'd be good at any martial art, really.